testing is a type of software testing which is performed informally and randomly after the formal testing is completed to find out any loopholes in the system. Friends, welcome to Abhi, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, let us gain knowledge on Ad-Hoc testing. Today's agenda is Introduction to Ad-Hoc testing. Benefits of Ad-Hoc testing. When to use Ad-Hoc testing. Ad-Hoc testing best practices and conclusion. So, let us begin with the basics. What exactly is Ad-Hoc testing? Well, it's a type of testing where we don't follow a predefined script or plan. Instead, it's like exploring the software freely, just like how you do use an app or a website as a regular user. The key here is that it's informal, unscripted, and relies on the tester creativity and experience. Friends, why do we bother with Ad-Hoc testing? What are its benefits? First, it is flexible. You can do it anytime during the development process. Second, it helps us find unexpected bugs, the ones that script test might not find. It provides a quick feedback, helping developers fix issues on the spot. It is a fantastic way to enhance a tester's skills, as it encourages thinking outside the box. And it can be cost effective since it doesn't require extensive planning. Friends, now when should I use Ad-Hoc testing? It's great during the early development stages when script tests might not exist. Use it for exploratory testing where you are exploring the software to find the defects. Usability testing is another scenario where Ad-Hoc testing shines. It's also valuable in continuous integration environment and for hunting down critical bugs. To make the most of Ad-Hoc testing, here are some best practices. Have a clear objectives and goals in mind before you start. Document your findings. It helps in reporting and tracking issues. Collaborate with your team. 2 heads are often better than 1. Stay focused during your test session, but be open to unexpected discoveries. Maintain a feedback loop with developers for efficient bug fixing. There are some common mistakes to watch out for. Don't dive into Ad-Hoc testing without a purpose. Neglecting documentation can lead to confusion later on. Don't rely only on Ad-Hoc testing. It complements scripted testing. Remember to perform regression testing to ensure new changes don't break old functionalities. Lastly, share your knowledge with the team. Don't keep your findings to yourself. Friends, Ad-Hoc testing is a valuable tool in the software test lifecycle. It's a versatile, helps find hidden issues, and encourages testers' creativity. But remember, it's most effective when used in combination with other testing methods. So, the next time you are testing software, consider adding a dash of Ad-Hoc testing to your toolkit. Friends, thank you for joining us today. I hope you find this video helpful. As always, keep testing, keep learning, and keep exploring the existing world of software testing. See you in the next video. Friends, please click on subscribe button to get notification on the latest video. I request you to please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your lot of support to our channel. I hope it will continue forever.